lianga jawma bana kula rach. Okay. Beja ngar gwasame.
But as the Honorable Minister has mentioned, the reference to hostile community does not mean the collective community. But as the Honorable Minister has mentioned,
shajo ma shajaling ala rajame mebialinga jawe shala da kuma kirma yadi gwaze shikan nuare shikan ga daga no te kan nuare te jiäk kan nuare to go dio je shajo ma shajaling kajan video me ki ka raj bana lade report mi shikan lat media dien or karodian ke ku karodian defend ku karodian defend no men shikan lade no iteleriak kanishine nyome Nuer community ke liu kanedi jiäk but bon matot no misha influence kuumɛ spele mayo Dr. Riek Macharno nage deni SSPDF kan bonden kontin cholne ken hostile counties kana meche jan lode michol ken Nuer no take a bad Nuer eke good Nuer ko kena chicken Nuer yikan ka dark take a counties ala dor ke wi Nuer ti shop ka bangwan de yikan ka larno kan county to to ke wi to e kan ka wi ti jiäk ti te gwante arteten ka che te ka wi ti yikan ka larno te ka wi to go ti chunka ka kel kan wi ten kona shol kan ka wi ti jiäk chirke me shala da wude shal ke Elia Lumoro Martin Elia Lumoro jen a cabinet affair minister no a minister rei kuumɛ ka kirma yadit jarame dane lado Nasser Olang Nyirol Akovo Fangak Uror Rupkona Kayut ke panye jar jane ken counties nitin la hostile ke county nitin kon tin lo kuumɛ kirma yadit kashe wit ko ken ti shalada no gwit ler county mayardit county Koch Longoshuk Maiwut ke mayom chakalado ken wit ti ka friendly ki ka wit go ti shungo kon kel mi machine wer community ka jan gwasme tama chikana bijeka no kane ti to gul wer dak ti into section ano ti kan wer go kan wer jiäk agorko bi kan wer bi kan gol shirka mala roda kan nasran tama nakan wer kan nasr nakan Nuer ka pangak nakan Nuer ka yut ala jan pangak kujime so chikan Nuer kana categorize no take hostile counties ka friendly counties so na ma chab jigano ajan duobe la dictator la na la ka nakeja bela ro ne ti mane ka shanak ne ti naka ba de keliu logistic keliu ba je nanga kujimo shimgi nan taman kujimo ken tam right corner mo ken kujidana wuka greater penal state along ala kuidana tiken counties ni Nuer tete tele county mishalat mudung do radian gwada mishalat ne counties ni Nuer tinte Nuer tiketen akan gwada content cha logistical cha janang tin ke cha jigarten kuumɛ kirma yadit ko ba Nuer ba kanak akajan video me bangara ko biya jelinga yoma na lat kene keliu tare keliu ba Nuer ba kanak chikanon no de can apologize ke de can explain de ka right de rodin defend badundian e kaislora ne jan or kana rodian kad mi jiang mi chikana la de kan ishine lo na Nuer wul Nuer community lo na in a specific group ke bon mashare ndol chika wona ko going ken dakri ma charno reng ma char jaram dana longmal re wika South Sudan wuda me use and sport minister chali Joseph geng a kech wuda me guyen turde mo gwasmene so wuda me jaramandan en chi participate karai ko men shalar no wuda shalga Dr. Martin Lumoro en ojen ishalunen Nuer dial akanetin kontin tof ke influence ko ba Nuer ba ka chole ke hostile en dor madake dor dodien o tiken ka plan medin me bekana la re dor mo be bekan Nuer bekana nakaje this is their plan tele ka plan dodien me le dor entama. So their plan is to eliminate Nuer community. So jan dan let kana. So uda me raya shalat gwata men go shine luna Nuer dial keliu tare kai keliu ken akenin content na kan Nuer ke 2013 akenin kone participate ko ba Nuer ba kana. so agenda let kene telam rodin let kene chana jode chana jamiling gwada me kamanan and lade le listen.
This is an organized group that attacked the barrack, as we have seen.
Lude ni Nuer Jeshen Bor iko sha barak la Garissa ne tere ikam ka ngade kanasir me chaje mak ka korke me shi Nuer ka teje no no ngane Unified Force ka lokana kala Nuer kana clash kana kontil SSPDF chaje jo no loje ka jo no ngai Unified Force lokir ma yadi de shukan ngut ka me jakane ka nyo je na ku kan wuri shala Johnson lin kana kwang shora le ku kan de ni le jakate dien e we bia kormi bia meken bia kem ka kana tin kontil hale kete right now kene hali itegatet kaspele maigo jen kwali yen Dr. Yug Macharaken.
And of course this is taken care of under chapter 5, which calls for reconciliation of communities. The agreement was signed in 2015, as we know it. It collapsed in 2016 and revitalized in 2018.
Name kai kene kai larkene no Egyptian bore she can garis on she can deck. She can revitalize the peace agreement she can nyon ke can deck. Pine can the content nyon ke peace agreement. Ko can the kona jogono yeno Unified Force she can look. You can jang date. Keted ulun Johnson lun la wutte adame meteka gulek force tam nyen kan wereme no baro itene dunga gulek force mo anyok chikan kong shora le chikan le jagano jen enangu nang dech amene me chi dech me che bagak der mi ko jel kan kamay kan angka babur ande munonke okay o benwer ba ka belel ba ka manakter madodi nonke ja kan o ba nwer ba ga disam ba meken ba ka kavejen but chikule fail me dan let kana.
This was meant to consolidate peace and security. But we haven't seen this happening. That is why the incident of Nasser has sparked this level of political crisis. So what this document does, it calls for government to sit back, address this issue through a political process, which is why it calls for security to be strengthened. It called for electoral mechanisms to be supported. So
that can me loar la telemishwali ishol kan mal telemal ishol kan need content lat kamal ke tedien lat ke queen ke tedien aw de gan ko ishol de kan need content ko ajele yar. And by the way, they are doing this in their favor. So Gorgano can the content be which Kiba Kwan, a gem gwena kuyan work cook and work communicate who can dark. Go room queen gwena ben by you quine point and kiir. Kiramacha Kwan and mechanic make and kill mayardit. Cooking mayardit point already. Dear Yeri and Jaldan la Jelishan already. Jen she took, she pointed to so Kujamo, Malet can jang, she
state insisted on running a parallel military participate in elections that were meant hard a year ago. However, one of these political groups, as mentioned, the SPLM-IO, refused to participate through the implementation of the
SPLM-IO can refuse to pass to participate in revitalized peace agreement. But Kiri Jaramanana Yerngwak, this is laughable. They don't let Komelet Kene Kelly Uname. So I don't get it. Why people are lying? And I will take a SPLM-IO Mishimal Shi. Look at me, can cook SPLM-IO base, whether the contact and cook and Gamagone, a Maldian, Mequala Dagona, Kakan Dangmala. These people are very liars. You can't Kajan Dara
military
Kajan
civilians. So the hostility that we have seen with communities.
Guay jan guadran gore and go de conpectin malat ne tijema kai kelu tel togaten and go take a mal mishadek just felimayo teleja so already yala de kum kem yadide kai ken kach telemela mal mishiken gorno bideten akane dal content nakan wari ka bukan olar no es felimayo teketeno teleja nakan nuari ka bukan olar no Dr. Machari and teketedo so they are the ones sending forces tele SPLM-IO michi force jack So how come? Jindi na jugono kwa support ke jinna kamo jatan teleja. So these are the people. They are terrible liar. Can you kind already? Gwa ane nywa jene ko ken biate mal bye bye.